In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google. Click on Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. Now you need to input all of those informations, and when you finish, to add your password, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!